This is a creative short on a super simple hack to drill through a quartz countertop for a reverse osmosis system. Disclaimer, it worked great for me, but please do this at your own risk. I simply drilled a series of holes equal to the diameter of this diamond-coated drill bit hole saw in some random composite material, a 1x6 I had laying around. I measured the center line of the main faucet over into the area where the new faucet would be located. After checking for clearance under the new proposed location for the faucet, I then taped the composite material with the hole in the location desired on the center line of the main faucet. I then measured the depth of the drill bit hole saw bit against the depth of the combined distance between the composite board and the countertop to ensure that the bit would go all the way through the countertop. I then began drilling on the dry surface. I only drilled briefly and then inspected the surface to ensure a clean and even cut into the countertop. Conservatively, I went through 3 drill bits to cut this hole. In between drill bits, I used the main faucet to dribble a little bit of water into the cut hole, which seemed to not only remove the material easier, but make the cutting process smoother. Got closer to cutting through the countertop, I slowly reduced the amount of pressure on the drill.
Look at that hole, huh? It's perfect. A mini version.
The whole process took about 15 minutes, and the outcome was exactly what I hoped it would be. Good luck out there.